All right, it's recording.
It's also a good how we're supposed to be able to tell you. I live all the way in Maine. You live all the way in California.
So?
Talking on the internet. How the fuck am I supposed to help you out?
With the video, talking and stuff. And my cats found the box. Hello. The new computer! It's gonna be amazing!
Insert tape. Being broken here.
I'm doing this one-handed.
Oh my.
Here it is. There's a box inside of a box.
Boxception.
Here you go, cat. You're gonna like that box.
Boxes, 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 boxes.
All right. Let's see.
How's this good as Badgers?
Spending all your money on one object.
Well, the person appeared.
Who appeared? Brody! I'm unboxing my computer. Hello?
There we go.
Oh, there you are.
Sorry.
Yeah, I'm unboxing my computer right now. And I'm recording.
Ooh, hello, people who watch recordings.
I'm not even sure how the audio is going to be.
Hello, yes. I am totally a human.
Hello,
I am doing human things. Drinking water. Breathing air. Yelling at.
Ooh, it's a fancy box inside of another box.
I'm a human unboxing things like a normal human with knives.
There we go.
Like
Hey guys, it's got a fancy dragon on it.
It's got a drag. It's got a Dargon?
It's got a Dargon on it. It's a red one.
I want a Dargon. Dargon.
Gaming notebook.
Doggone. It's a doggone.
Okay, come on.
Dargon.
Open up. Oh wait, there's tape.
It's a doggone.
There's more tape.
It's a doggone.
There we go. That tape's off. This is gonna look so cringy. This video is, because I'm doing it one-handed, and my cat's in the picture. Hello.
Hello, people, and you gotta love that cringe.
That's Spanish. We're here to help. You should have. Should you have any questions about your gaming notebook, contact us. Got it. Oh, prettiness. This is like Christmas all over again. I mean, I still technically have my Christmas tree up. Cringe-worthy, yes.
It's starting to feel a lot like cringe.
Ooh. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Ooh.
So you know what to say about that glitch?
It's like not focusing in on the words. Oh my gosh, this is...
Isn't that a good thing?
Reader's choice. Okay. Yep, my cat's enjoying the boxes. Hello, kitty. Oh, it's so smooth. So clean. Okay. Let's take the stickers off of it. And this one.
Why do I still have this one?
I don't know. Why do you still have that one?
Maybe it's cold outside.
Ooh, it's so shiny. It's like reflecting on the seal. It's reflecting the ceiling
Sorry.
on the little emblem.
Holding hands, we're just like guys.
Guys, the emblem is reflecting the ceiling. All right. Cords.
What's the...
Cords. That is huge charging cord. What the heck?
Looks well.
Manual guide. And the other half of the cord. Woo! There we go.